Hi, welcome back to Coldstream Rod Shop. I'm Derek Fraser. This is attempt number 2 at the 32 Ford pickup. As we talked about in another episode, we did take it for a drive. Everything was all good up until about 18 miles into the drive and the front axle blew. I did contact the axle manufacturer. They did go good for it. They gave me a new axle, new tie rod, new shocks, new spreader bar. Sent it to me free of charge. I returned the original axle to them. They're going to do some metallurgical tests on the axle to see what happened. They seem to have some suspicions that is, because this particular axle had a serial number written on it. I'm not into bashing people or anything like that, but if it happens to you, reach out to the person or the company that made the parts. Be nice. And you in turn will be treated nicely. We weren't hurt on this. We got new parts. We're back in action. The only thing left to do is over the winter, I've got a couple little places on the top of these fenders to fix up. But for now, we want to put it together and take it for a drive. So everything's all tight and ready to go, ready to fire up. I'm just going to back it out here and take it for a quick test drive number 2 down the road and see how it goes. Oh, here we go. Hopefully I don't run into anything or have any other issues. So far, so good. Here we go. Wish me luck. So that's it. Everything went really well. Everything's nice and tight. Hopefully we'll take her for a longer drive and everything will be good. Everything went well. Went for a nice drive. Everything seemed tight. I'm sure that there's something I'm going to have to tighten up, because that's what happens with first time out with a hot rod. You got to go tighten hoses up, tighten bolts up, tighten nuts up, check everything after each run. They tend to come loose, especially when you put something together fresh and new. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully the longer drive tonight won't result in the same thing, but there's a forged axle in this one this time, so a little different than last time, so shouldn't be an issue. Everybody take care. Have a good one.